the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, heated seats, dual zone climate control, security system, dual front airbags, telescopic steering wheel, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.